It's week 9 of the Christmas challenge. Can you hear that sound? That's right, Father Christmas. In this week, we're going to be learning Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. Welcome back to Guitar with me, where I help beginners learn guitar the easy way. So this week is Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree. We're going to be learning this on 2 strings, so let's get straight to it. First, I'll play through So Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree is being played on 2 strings. It's going to be the B string and the G. So it starts on fret number 5. And what I'll do, I'll play it slowly and I'll count out the numbers as I normally do. So do follow along. So it starts on number 5. Goes to number 2. Back to number 5. Then it goes up to number 7. So it should sound like this. 5, 2, 5, 7. Then we do a little hold on the 7. 7, 5, 5, 7. So then it's 7 to 9. Back to 7, 3, open, and then we want to do the first fret on the G. So it goes like this. And the next part is going to be 7. So 7, 7, 9, 9, 7, 7, 9. 7, 7, 9, 9, 7, 7, 9, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 and 2 on the G. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. And then we repeat the first sequence. The next bit is going to be on number 7, and then it's been number 6. So it's like a 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 3, 7. It's number 8, 9. Down to number 5. So 9 to 5. And after 9, you go into number 10. So 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. To 7. To 9, 10. 12, 10, 9, 7, 5, 7, 9, 7. So let's do that again. and then we repeat the first sequence. So we're going 7, 7, 9, 9, 9, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7. And the last bit goes 5, 6, 7, 12, and then ends on the 10. So practice challenge for this song, as always, practice it 5 minutes a day, take your time, make sure you focus on your finger placement and take it nice and steady. Remember, taking it slow is key, and to be patient. That will build confidence and you can always increase your speed. If you found this useful, please give it a like and a subscribe to my channel. And do check my school community in the comments below where you can join and interact with other members. It's great fun and this community is growing by the day. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next week for week 10.